Hello friends, thank you for coming back. This is Elaine Marie. How are you today? I painted this the other day. It's a sunrise. Isn't it beautiful? Just some purple going on and blue in the bottom. Well, let's see what we can do today. I hope everybody is doing wonderful. Okay, set that like that, and here we go. Okay, I'm getting my brush. These brushes are already wet and ready to go. Alright, I'm going to hit some white here and some purple. Ooh, pretty. Okay, I'm going to start right up here with this corner right here. Hope everybody's having fun, enjoying the summer. Okay, there, I love that purple. Now you're going to dab that off, okay? You can still use what they call a dirty brush. All right, we're going to run that like this. All these colors, we're going to be blending it together, okay? I'm loving it. Let's dab some weight into there. Okay, it brings it, that smooths it out lovely. I'm loving that. Very pretty. I love sunrises. They're so gorgeous. Dab. And the other day I showed you this. You can always come in dark and go very light. Back over. Okay. Dab out my brush. I'm going to come in with some yellow. Okay, I'm going to run that down. There you go. I'm going to dab some weight with that. Remember, friends, if your yellow and blue are mixed together, it will make a green. So before we blend in the blue, we'll make sure we have plenty of the weight. Okay. Oh, I'm loving that. That is very, very pretty. And as you go along, you'll see that you'll go, hey, I like a little bit more of this, or a little bit more of that. Purple right here in the corner again. You can make it where it just doesn't have to be going straight over. We'll dab that out. And then we'll come in very lightly. Grab some weight. Very lightly. Get a nice effect. Okay. We're going to wipe our brush. I'm going to come in with the bottom, some weight. Oh yeah, there we go. This is a bigger brush than I normally use. I wanted to try it today. And we're going to come in with some blue. Okay. I'm going to bring that up. Alright, darker here on the bottom. And again, not every two pictures I like to do that are exactly alike. A little yellow in here. And I'll tell you, this is very, very, very colorful. Nice and bright. Now I'm going to change brushes. Okay. And I'm going to come in with some yellow right in here. Okay, I'm going to run that down just like that. There you go. Nice and light on the brush. Okay. Very light. If you pick up any paint, dab your paint off. And just run that very lightly. You'll have paint on the tip of your brush. You just dab that off. So we are getting ready for our sunrise. Yes. And I'm not sure when I'm done how I'm going to do the sides. I'm not sure yet. You dab the brush off. A little darker. And remember, dab, dab. And what you'll have is, like here, see how you got the darker right in there? Come in, wipe your brush, and come in very lightly. Very lightly. And you'll get darker spots here and there. Have that white in there. I'll let they do the same thing with the white. That looks really cool. Slowly, there you go. And if you don't want to go straight across, let me dab the brush again. You can always come in like this. Okay? You dab the brush off, right? You can have it a little darker on one end. There you go. You might want to just come up like this a little bit. There you go. And you dab a little white, lightly with the brush. There you go. Really getting some beautiful colors. And I think right up on top, I'm going to do that purple a little bit. There you go. Just wanted to come in, maybe not even all the way. There you go. I'm loving that. Look at all the different colored friends that we have. Please come back to step number 2. We're going to put our sun in and some reflection. And it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. Thank you, friends. Please come back to step number 2.